How to find McDonald's breakfast hours near you. To find McDonald's breakfast hours near you, the best method you can use is the McDonald's restaurant locator. For that, you can head over to their website, which is mcdonalds.com, open it up. And when you open it up, you should be finding these interface on your screen. Now, what you may do is navigate to find a McDonald's or restaurant locator section. For that, tap on the menu at the top left. And when you do, at the very last section, we will be finding a search. Find a restaurant option, tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you may just go ahead and input the city's, state, or zip code to search for nearby restaurants. So I can just go ahead and search for it. For example, Chicago right here. So what you will be doing is once you go ahead and type in that, here you will be viewing all of the restaurants. You can just go ahead and select the specific McDonald's location you are interested in. That will particularly display the restaurant's location. After that, display the address, phone number, and most importantly, its hours of operation, including the breakfast times. So you can just go ahead and look out for that, and you can follow up the steps and look out for the breakfast hours near you. Otherwise, alternatively, you can even use the McDonald's app to locate nearby restaurants and view their hours. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method and try it out and see if it works. And so therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.